Hi everyone, let's work on another practice problem together. So let's see what we've got going on here in this particular problem. It says here that your father used 110.6 grams of propane to grill burgers over the weekend. How many moles of propane did he use up? I've given you the formula for propane because we certainly will not talk about organic substances and how to do those formulas, so it's provided for you. Let's go ahead and identify information that's provided to us. So let's see, we know that we have 110 grams of propane, and the question is asking us to solve for moles of propane. So this means I'm looking to find a relationship between moles and grams. If you're thinking already, it is correct to assume that we already have a relationship between moles and grams by calculating up molar mass from our periodic table. So let's go ahead and do that so that we can work out our problem. So for every mole of propane, we have, so I'm taking the 12.01 for carbon, I'm going to multiply that times 3, and then I'm going to add 8 hydrogens at 1.01 apiece. So that's 8.08, and it looks like we get a mass of 44.11 grams. There we go. Look at this, a mole to gram problem, and that will solve what the question is asking us to find. So we always start with our given, which is 110.6 grams, beautiful handwriting, of propane. Now, I started in grams, but I'd like to go to moles, so I need to know which way to plug this equality in. Do I need moles on the top, or do I need moles on the bottom? And I would think that grams would need to go on the bottom, since I'm starting in grams and I'm trying to end in moles. So I'm going to put this in as 1 mole over 44.1 grams. Let's crunch our numbers here. 110.6. I'm going to divide that by 44.11. And remember, our grams cancel here and here. We're left with moles to carry over, as well as our substance, which is propane. When I crunch these numbers, I got 2.50736, etc. So we've got to decide how to round that based on looking at our given. So we need to decide how many significant figures are in the 110.6, and I think it's 4. That's a sandwich 0, and the 1, 1, and 6 are significant. So we need to round this down to 4 significant figures. So that looks like we're going to say 2.507. Thank you.